there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga. Those counties are Brant, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Hillsdale, and Livingston.
What are you doing?
Counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Macomb, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Berry, Ionia, and Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Berry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Macomb. This concludes the test of the No Weather Radio warning alarm device.
Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: South Haven.
Oh my goodness, it's
Standard.
mess.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, tests will be postponed until the first good available weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, William, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio. We now return to normal programming.